Hi, I'm Dr. Jeremy Ueno from Campbell, California. I'm a periodontist. We've been using StellaLife for about 6 months now at our office. We were introduced to StellaLife in May of 2019, and since then, we're going through over 100 boxes a month right now. And what I can say is the recovery that we're seeing with our patients is phenomenal. So in terms of post-op swelling, post-op healing, we just see so much better healing. For myself, I've been through 2 Achilles surgeries, and my second surgery I did use an Arnica-based product, and I did notice a big difference in my healing, so I've always been a believer in Arnica, and bringing it to our patients now has been phenomenal. Being in California, our patients like the fact that it's natural, it's homeopathic, and the instructions are really easy to follow. So we first started using it in just our staff and also some of their family members with surgeries, just to test out the product to see how it went. And yeah, everything we heard back was phenomenal. And so again, going through about 100 boxes a month, probably going to start doing more and more as we get the word out more. We're just really excited that we have this product within our armamentarium, and we couldn't be happier with the patient response to it. So I want to thank StellaLife for supporting us, and can't wait to keep on using your products and helping our patients. Thanks a lot, guys.